What is up, Fit Fam? Action Figure Fit here, back again with another video. In today's Fit and Easy meal idea, we're going to make the best Naruto style ramen you ever had in your life. Believe it. But before we do all that, do me a huge favor and like the video. If you don't hit the like button, you're Team Kiba. Don't be Team Kiba. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay? Don't do it. No, for real, Kiba sucks. With all that out of the way, let's hop into the video. Even though plenty of Americans have been put onto ramen, I didn't want to take any chances, so I went to the international grocery store. Actually, finding my way around the store was the hardest part. So the first thing I picked up was the actual ramen, being that that's the base of the meal. I prefer this brand to have a little bit more of an authentic taste. Next, we need our protein source. I'm pretty sure they use pork in Naruto opposed to chicken, so we're gonna go with pork here. Next, we're gonna get some of the side toppings to make it look pretty. Our green onion, our corn, and we're gonna pick up some eggs. Now that we have all the ingredients we need, we're gonna head to the register and pay, head home, and start cooking. Quick sidebar, why does anime food always look so good? We're gonna start by boiling our egg first. Let the water come to a boil, then place your eggs in for approximately 5 minutes. After that, you're going to immediately take them out and place them in ice cold water. You'll find out why later. I try to start with the things that's going to take the longest to cook first, so everything's done at the same time. So we're going to start with the meat next. After rinsing well, make sure you season both sides of your meat. You can do a simple salt and pepper and garlic on one side, and I did a chicken seasoning on the other. You can fix your pork on the stovetop, or you can put it in the oven on 400 degrees. Just make sure it's all the way done. Alright, now we're to the easy part. You're going to place your ramen block in boiling water for about 7 minutes or until it looks like it's done. I seriously need to know how they can make my mouth water with the drawing. I need answers. But back to our real life ramen. You want to make sure that your noodles look fluffy just like this. We're going to pour our broth on top and start adding some of our toppings. We cut up our green onions off camera, so we're going to go ahead and start adding those now. Who do you guys think would actually win in a ramen eating contest? Naruto or Rock Lee? Leave your answers down in the comment section. Next, we're going to finish adding our corn, then we're going to get back to those eggs that we left in the cold water. So the reason we decided to put the eggs in cold water as soon as they stop boiling is so the egg would be cooked on the outside, but it would stay gooey on the inside. The eggs actually came out even more perfect than I could have hoped. This is exactly how I wanted them. Now all there's left to do is get the pork out of the oven. And here we have our finished product, our Naruto style Ichiraku Ramen. Let me know down in the comment section if you would have used any different ingredients. I'm really interested to see how you guys would make your Naruto style ramen.